Hi everyone, this is just a quick video. I've put together another little journal kit, digital journal kit. It's only a little one, it's 10 pages. We've got a collection of papers and tags and pockets and postcards, so I'll just do a quick flip. I will put a link to this in my description box below. So it's just a floral kit, kind of vintagey, like darker flowers. So we have this page, and then this page, and this one. And I've printed mine with a border, as you can see. Here is 3 tags, and we have 4 pockets. You can also go check out all my freebies. There may be something else that will go along with this. I will probably do a couple other little freebies to go alongside this. Oh, that's that way. That way? Yeah, journal cards. Just some journal cards there. Some ovals, some oval tags as well. So there we go, 10 pages. I'm sure that's 10 pages. Yep, PDF says 10 pages. My hands are freezing. Do you know what? It's so cold outside. Through the day is lovely, but come about 4 o'clock, you can't feel your fingers. And I've got the heating on. Anyway, there's my little kit. If you're interested, link below. It will be very cheap, affordable. Just doing this so that I can get a decent photograph for my thumbnail. There we go. So thanks for watching. Bye.